Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. It's looking up and up down, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming.
Isang magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo sa isang milestone ng buhay ng aming anak na si Karsten. Alam ko po yung iba sa inyo, malayo pa po pinanggalingan, na-traffic yung iba. Pero yung mahalaga po, magkakasama po tayo ngayong hapon. At mag-enjoy po tayo sa hapong ito, mabusog at yung ating mga chan at saka yung ating mga mata sa presentation mamaya. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Please welcome and please make way and put your hands together for our pretty boy, Nelson Karsten Saliga!
Come on, it's gonna feel. There's a fire underneath my feet, got me rolling like a river deep. Let it flow, 'cause I know that my soul's gonna lift me up. Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted.
Happy 7th birthday, Karsten. So, wishing you a day filled with laughter, fun, and lots of cake. So, may your 7th year be full of exciting adventures, new discoveries, and endless joy. So, you're a superstar, and today is all about celebrating you. Happy birthday, Karsten.
Hello Karsten, happy 7th birthday. Most likely hindi mo na ako natanda. Ang lit mo pa nung ulit tayo nagkita and sobrang iyakin pa. And so wish ko lang para sa iyo is of course good health, to be happy, and sana huwag kang maging sakit ng ulo ni mommy and daddy mo. And sana lumaki ka na handa sa lahat ng kakaharapin mo sa buhay mo. And that's all, and happy birthday.
I can see everything from up here. I can see everything from up here. I can see everything from up here. It's a new day to discover all the wonder maybe we'll uncover.
So, ang wish ko kay Karsten, lumaking mabuti, masayahin, confident. Ayan, may takot sa Diyos, mahal ang kapatid, nanay at tatay. Ha? Laging ginagala. Tapos abutin mo lahat ng gusto mo.
For the future, sa pag-aaral mo at sa kung may gusto ka, ikaw na yung bahalang bumili. Yan. Happy birthday. I know, mabait ka naman bata. Sana sa paglaki mo, patuloy ka pa rin maging masunurin kila mami at daddy. At maging healthy ka. Ayun lang. Happy birthday.
Ano gusto mo maging paglaki mo? 7 years old. 7 years old?
Before you blow your candle, close your eyes and make a wish. Ready? Close your eyes. Alright, palakpakan! Say everybody, happy birthday, Karsten!